Hey, it's Luna here. Welcome back to my channel. Ever found yourself accidentally deleting a crucial message on Instagram and wishing there was a way to get it back? You're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through a method that some users have found helpful in recovering deleted messages. Whether you're here for preventive measures or to retrieve a specific message, I've got you covered. So join me as we explore the process of requesting your Instagram data archive and attempting to restore those important messages. Can you really recover deleted Instagram messages? Let's find out. Instagram's direct message feature is a fun way to keep up with the people you know, whether that's by responding to your best friend's stories, catching up with a colleague, or saying hi to a stranger who shares similar interests to you. However, it's possible to delete messages and entire chats with the slip of a finger. While this might clear up some storage on your smartphone, it can become inconvenient if you've made plans in that chat or are trying to dig up receipts on something you've spoken about. Whatever the reason, it is possible to recover deleted messages from Instagram. I wouldn't advise you to get your hopes too high, as the method we're going to share doesn't have a 100 success rate in recovering deleted messages. However, some users have reportedly managed to recover deleted messages this way. The method in question involves requesting an archive of your Instagram data through Instagram's website and trawling through the files on your desktop to find the deleted message. Start with opening your preferred browser and go to Instagram.com. Note that this process can't be done within the Instagram app itself. Make sure to sign in to your Instagram account. If you've logged in recently, you might already be signed in. Navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Profile. Look for the Edit Profile option right next to your username and click on it. On the left side of the screen, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find the Request Download link under the Data Download heading. Click on it. Click Next to confirm your email address and choose the information format. Stick with HTML if you only want to view your data. Enter your password and click Request Download. Instagram mentions it might take up to 48 hours, but it could be quicker. Once you receive the email, click Download Information. You might need to log in again for verification. Click Download Information on the Instagram page. Remember, the link is valid for up to 2 weeks. Head to the Messages folder in the Downloaded Information to see an archive of your chats. Keep in mind that it only contains data stored on Instagram's servers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on recovering deleted messages from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.